Agentic decision intelligence is transforming the way electronics companies do business by optimizing and orchestrating decision-making across your entire value chain. Meet Aera, your agentic decision intelligence. Aera understands how your business works. It makes actionable recommendations, executes decisions at scale, and learns from every decision. Sourcing, component allocation, inventory, decided automatically at scale. For electronics, Aera automatically optimizes chip and component allocation, models tariff scenarios, and rebalances inventory in real time. Here's what our electronics company's customers have achieved. 195,000 customer orders repointed autonomously. 50% cost reduction from solving shortages. 40% improvement in decision volume. With component shortages, tariff pressures, and margin squeeze, every decision counts. And with Aera, you are always a step ahead. Book a demo to see what Aera can do for your business.